So the first step in getting your Google grant or Google for Nonprofits account is to get a active validation token. So in order to get your validation token, what you're going to have to do is register your nonprofit with TechSoup. Once they have given you the tick of approval that you have an active nonprofit, then they are going to give you a validation token, which is simply a string of numbers and letters that we're actually going to input directly into the Google Grant application. So to get started in Australia, we'll go to Connecting Up, which is a partner to TechSoup, and we'll create an account. If you're in Canada, you will register with TechSoup. And if you are in the United States, you will also register with TechSoup. Now I'm gonna include this validation token page below the video. If you are not in either of those 3 listed countries that I just said, go ahead and click here to the Google for Nonprofits. You'll go ahead and choose your country, your language, and hit enter. And then TechSoup will give you information on where exactly you need to register in order to get your validation token. So in this video, I am going to actually run through the process of how to register in Australia. So first things first, you'll hit not a member, sign up. I'll go ahead and put in my email address, info@nicholevanderwall.com.au, my first and last name, and then I will designate a password. Go ahead and add the password to a LastPass, or if you need to mark it down somewhere so that you can remember in the future. They're then going to ask you for the validation code. Once you're in your email, you'll get a verification code that looks similar to this, so we'll go ahead and paste this in to the box and hit confirm account. So now we've created an account with Connecting Up or TechSoup, and now what we need to do is navigate to TechSoup validation tokens. So we'll click register your organization. Once you're on this next stage, you'll just have to fill out all of the information required. Make sure that you don't skip anything and really fill it out to the best of your ability, especially your organization's activities and specific purpose. Try to select something that's very, very similar, if not the exact same thing that your organization does. Once you've finished filling out all of your information from your organization on this page, you'll go ahead and check the boxes that you agree and hit save. After you've submitted your application with Connecting Up or TechSoup, you should receive some sort of a thank you email that says that you've successfully registered for donations and discounts. In this email, they're saying 3 working days, but I've seen it take anywhere from 7 to 14 business days for an actual human to go and verify your account and to basically give you, again, that tick of approval that you are a nonprofit organization. So you should receive an email from Connecting Up, within that time frame that will give you the instructions on how you can access your very own validation token.